Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price predictions. This is the intraday video, which is based of course on the 1 hour and 15-minute chart to see what happened and what it could happen for Bitcoin in the next few hours. So as mentioned today in the morning, of course we have predicted lower prices, and this is exactly what happened. We were looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and based on our path as well, it has worked even perfectly. So yeah, we are looking at a wave 3 here, where we're still looking for a wave 4, which it might be unfolding right now, and then still looking for one more wave toward the downside. Now, because of course we have possibly here a 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, but this is of course for your wave 3, 4, and a 5 to finish your wave 3, and then 4, 5 toward the downside, meaning we're still looking for a double waves toward the downside to be finished, right? Because this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish a wave 3, and then 4, 5 to finish, of course, this impulse toward the downside, meaning this can turn, of course, into a wave 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation toward the downside as impulsive, because we have impulses here in this contracting diagonal where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for your wave 1, and then of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 5 in contracting diagonal. In case we dive even deeper than this, we might of course be in a bigger bullish bearish scenario, and then with double 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So we're gonna see which one is gonna of course unfold based on the reaction in the bottom here for a wave 5. Now a wave 5, possibly of course in your bearish scenario here that we are looking at, in case we are getting a wave 5 in a diagonal, contracting diagonal. So your wave 5 would like to reach, of course, these perfect fib levels in the green box. Now, of course, it might be a short wave 5 and not taking the low. However, breaking the 87,750 again, this number is playing a major role again. This might be now our, of course, a bigger bearish scenario. So from here, we're gonna say, of course, let's say deeper bearish scenario. Okay, from the 87, remember our CME gap, which is still waiting to be filled, which is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So by breaking the 87,700, this wave 5 will become longer than your wave 3 in case we are in a contracting diagonal, of course. And then if this becomes longer, meaning this is a wave 3 toward the downside, 4, 5, 4, 5, after it coming, of course, to finish this impulse toward the downside. Now, in case we are still in bullish scenario, in case we are still in a wave 1 here in the yellow scenario, and we are looking for higher prices, right, as an impulse toward the upside, you would like to finish a wave 2. Your wave 2 would like, of course, to be here 3 corrective waves and then moving toward the upside, meaning preferably as well to reach the perfect fib level, which is the 0.618. Let's see if they are in confluence here with the same, not so much, but yeah, here we go. So yeah, 93,431, these are your wave 2 perfect fib level. Now if we take a look here, we have reached so far the 0.23. Now remember, if we are very, very bullish, I already mentioned that 0.23 might be a target for continuation toward the upside in case we Bitcoin when start to fight gravity, right, when it is very bullish. However, we're looking at very, very deep price action here, and it looks impulsive. Therefore, it kind of reduces, of course, this possibility, and we're still looking at least at 0.38 fib level, meaning ABC at least, right, in 3 corrective waves, and then moving continuation toward the upside. So 96,070 would be a target, first target for bullish scenario in case we dive deeper, of course, and then starting to move toward the upside. 96,000 key level for bullish, right? Of course, it can be bullish from any of these levels, because remember, this can be counted as an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it can be an ABC, right? Corrective. And that is a very, very tricky price action, very tricky area. But looking now at this impulse, meaning of course, at least we are in a zigzag, at least we are in A, B, and a C, meaning the 0.38 would be of course a target. Then we're gonna seek after 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside in case we are bullish. In case we are still bearish, of course, you're gonna see lower prices first, 4545, and 3 wave corrective up. Then continuation toward the downside, of course, for a bigger wave 3, right? And breaking, of course, the 87,750 would be, of course, our confirmation for a deeper bearish scenario. So yeah, I would say I'm gonna keep those perfect fib levels for a wave 5. I'm gonna make it a little bit less messy by removing the 886. I'm gonna keep here the 0.38, and then we take a look after step by step. Yeah, we're gonna walk with this step by step for wave 2 here. In case, of course, we dive deeper, this might be your wave 5 for contracting diagonal. Yeah. So let's say wave. Let me write this here. Okay. Wave 5. Okay, as contracting diagonal. While here you are in a wave 2. Wave. Oh my God! I don't know why trading view is not helpful today. So wave 2. Okay, these are our first targets. So that was it for the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.